Hi guys, I'm Rareface, and in this video I'll be talking about stonfi's approach to cross-chain transactions. We'll break down their use of things like HTLCs and RFQ protocols and what that could mean for the future of DeFi. Stay put and turn on post notifications. Isn't it a downright ordeal? Trying to swap tokens between blockchains is slow, burns a hole in your pocket, and leaves you in a state of sheer dread. Imagine for once being able to shift your assets swiftly, securely, and without that nagging worry gnawing at you. Stonfi is pitching that very solution. Let's take a closer look at this possible turning point. Come on, we've all been there, right? The frustration is real. Centralized exchanges hold your funds hostage, and if they decide to freeze accounts, forget about it. Bridges get casually drained by hackers. One exploit, and your precious assets? Poof, gone. Hidden fees and slippage silently bleed you dry. You're left wondering where your money went. DeFi was supposed to liberate us. So why are we still shackled by these unreliable middlemen? It's enough to make you tear your hair out. Thank goodness for stonfi cross-chain swaps without the agony. Stonfi is trying to make swapping between blockchains as smooth and safe as sending a text to your best friend. No middlemen, no custodians, no trust required. Finally, some peace of mind. Real market prices, no more feeling like you're being ripped off. Bulletproof security powered by hash time lock contracts, HTLC. Sleep soundly, your assets are probably safe. Seamlessly works inside Telegram. Trade like you chat, because why shouldn't it be that easy? Let's quickly see how it works. 1. Connect 2 wallets, 1 for each blockchain. 2. Choose the tokens you want to swap. 3. Get an instant quote from top market makers. 4. Swap finalizes automatically and securely. 5 tokens arrive in your wallet. No more nail biting, no bridge-induced panic, no headaches. Alright guys, so we've talked about what stonfi is offering. But now the real question is, who actually gets to breathe a sigh of relief here? Who are the real winners? Well, let's list them. 1. Traders, say goodbye to slippage and those infuriating shady fees. 2. Market makers, arbitrage across chains without that constant fear of exposure. 3. Liquidity providers, finally a chance to earn a decent return. 4. Developers, simple SDKs for building powerful cross-chain apps. Let the innovation flow. Cross-chain transactions are predicted to explode to $4 to $12 trillion by 2027. The rickety infrastructure we have today simply won't cut it, but stonfi is aiming to be the reliable foundation we need. This isn't just about crypto. It's about true financial empowerment. Imagine a world where you can move your money without begging permission, without suffocating limits, without that ever-present risk of loss, where no bank, no exchange, no greedy third party can control you. That's the tantalizing vision stonfi is pursuing. And it's unfolding right before our eyes. Join the revolution and don't be left out.